Hi Satish.
Hi, sir.
How are you?
Doing well, sir. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. Thanks for asking. So where are you from?
I was born and brought up in Hyderabad.
Okay. And about your education qualification?
I have done my post-graduation from CMR Institute of Technology, majoring in finance.
Okay. And about your family?
I belong to the large extended family where we live 6 members: mother, grandmother, elder brother, sister-in-law, me, and my younger brother.
Okay. And share your interview experience.
I have been through 4 rounds of interview, HR personal interview. They primarily focus on my communication skills.
Okay.
And the typing test, I was able to manage the typing test. And when it comes to the aptitude test, they primarily focus on the arithmetic reasoning and then analytical skills. Eventually, with the technical round, the whatever the questions they have framed, and that I was learned from the SVC, like investment banking, the research, and the financial analysis, etc.
Okay. Okay. Good to know that. And when you are going to join?
1 week away to onboarding.
Okay. Okay. And what is the salary package?
4.5 LP.
Okay. Congratulations and all the very best.
That means a lot. Thank you, sir.